In 3, 2, 1. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, with flame locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep. There's nothing I can do but keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene. Jolene, and Jolene, and Jolene, Jolene. I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. And Jolene, and Jolene, and Jolene, Jolene. Please don't take him just because you can. And you could have your choice of men, but I could never love again, and he's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you, whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 Jolene. I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. And Jolene, and Jolene, and Jolene, Jolene. Please don't take him, even though you can. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Jolene by Dolly Parton on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. My analytics shows me that over 70% of people that watch these videos and come back and watch more of my videos have not hit the red subscribe button, so please don't be part of that 70%. Double check down below. If the subscribe button looks red and it looks like this, I'll pop a picture on screen. If it looks like that and it's red, click it, it will turn gray, and you'll be a part of the uke fam. We are getting so much closer to 100,000 subscribers on this channel. I think we're about like less than 3,000 subscribers away, so please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, tell your friends, your family members, your dogs, create a YouTube account for your dogs, have them subscribe to the channel, help out this channel. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? Well, it is a concert-sized Leolani ukulele. I'll leave a link down below. They also do carry my signature ukulele. I'll pop a picture on screen right now. Bam! It looks like that. I got to custom design the entire thing. So if you do want to get my signature uke, that will also be down below. It is also a concert-sized uke, so highly recommend. Also, if you do want to save some money while you're shopping on their website, you can use code Ricky10 at checkout, and you'll save an automatic $10 off your entire purchase. So that will be down below. Also, if you do want to support this channel, links for the merch, currently wearing the uke fam hat and hoodie, that will be down below. Also, links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. Also, please leave your comments down below with your song recommendations. I love listening to your song requests, and maybe, just maybe, the next song might be your song. So make sure to leave your comments down below, and that also does help out this video go out more. If they're like, ooh, a lot of comments, a lot of likes, a lot of engagement, let's send it out and push it out to more on the YouTube. So that will again help out the channel. So thank you so much. That is it for me. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.